Hi everyone, Lauren from TikTok asked, what does it look like packaging up your orders? She said she actually likes to watch order packaging videos, and normally you wouldn't think that would be fun, but actually a lot goes into our packaging and our orders here at Wicked Fabulous. So I thought that's a great idea, Lauren, and I'm going to go ahead and do that video. So right here today, I'm going to just kind of scan through. We have 3 orders in total here on my workspace. And the 3 orders in total, between putting them together and all the packaging and everything that goes into it, plus Reiki infusing it, took me about an hour. So this took about an hour to put together. So on average, we do average about 3 orders a day. 6 to 10 would be the goal, and we can handle that 6 to 10 very easily, but a lot of time goes into it because we're very intentional in our order processing. So I'm going to start with this order. This customer here just ordered a Pride bracelet. We did not make the Pride bracelets. We buy them. We have a whole LGBTQ Pride section, so you can check that out. That is just Pride items, and we do not make those. So I just want to make that clear. So here is the packing slip. This is the Pride bracelet, the bag I'm going to put it in. Ultimately, everything's going to go in there. This is the bowl we Reiki infuse everything. And if you haven't seen us Reiki infuse, we have videos on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube that I just posted today or yesterday talking about the process and actually doing a Reiki infusion. So feel free to check that out. We give everyone a chakra balancing card because we are extremely into explaining the benefits of chakras and chakra balancing in those energy centers. This here is our Reiki infused card showing that we did Reiki infuse this order, which we did, and it talks a little bit about that. And of course, a business card here as well. Since this was a Pride order, I went ahead and threw in this little Pride pin complimentary that we have. I just thought it'd be a nice touch since it was a Pride order. And then of course, every single order gets a free Love Forward bracelet to gift to someone. So this is a little tag here. It says gift to give away. And inside is a beautiful message. I've also, I'll be posting what that message says in an upcoming video. This next customer here bought a couple of really beautiful things, brought a turquoise howlite bracelet. So I have a howlite card explaining the benefits of howlite, that natural stone. This is a turquoise howlite. And this bracelet is called the Impasse Recharge. And there are so many different stones in this. This was actually quite a lot of cards to put together. So we've got amethyst, quartz, rose quartz, lepidolite, black tourmaline, hematite, and it also has howlite, but I didn't want to duplicate the card because she will be getting that howlite card already. Again, packaging, Reiki infused, chakra card, and then here, of course, is the free Love Forward bracelet for her to gift to a stranger or someone who could use a little love. And then finally, Alan placed this order here, beautiful carnelian bracelets. We are very proud of our carnelian bracelets. They're beautiful, top quality natural stones. And he did it in an 8mm and 10mm, which is fantastic. So both sizes. Again, the card, Reiki, the business card. I'm gonna put them in red envelopes since they're, I try to match the color of the bracelet with the envelope too. And as well, I did go ahead and put a Pride pin in here. Even though this is not a Pride outfit, I actually know this person. This is a famous Boston blogger who is a member of the LGBTQ community. So I'm gonna just throw a little LGBTQ love in there. And then of course, another Love Forward bracelet that's gonna go in the package. Also for these 2 orders here, since they were over $25, I don't normally share this, but we go ahead and these are all Reiki infused natural stones, and each of these 2 orders here are going to get whatever 2 natural stones I'm drawn to for that particular person. So it has everything in here. We have jade and rose quartz and moss agate and a lot of beautiful natural stones. And 2 of those stones per each person will go in this cute little bag. So I just wanted to share that as well. And then finally, if the order is a gift, we do have gift box options. If you're sending it as a gift, let us know. There's gift box if you search for it on wickedfabulous.com. There is a gift box option. So that would be for a bracelet. This gift box would be for a necklace. And that is packaging up the orders here at wickedfabulous.com. Thank you guys. Have a beautiful and joyous day.